Hi, I'm Enzo FPV, and I'm going to be running through the Betaflight setup for the Emax Hawk 5. Let's go ahead and get started. First things that you want to do, you want to make sure you calibrate your accelerometer so that flying angle or horizon mode works properly. Under the ports tab, you want serial RX on UART1 because that's where your receiver is connected to your flight controller, so your flight controller knows that these incoming signals are from its receiver. Under UART3, select TBS Smart Audio in peripherals. That allows you to change things like your VTX power and channel and things on your OSD, all from your transmitter. In the configuration tab, make sure you select DShot 600. That also allows you to do things like motor beepers or turtle mode. Then here for the gyro and PID loop frequencies, you want 8K, 2K. That's just how this thing is tuned. You can change these to 8K, 8K. This is a F4 flight controller, so it's more than capable of that. Just you'll have to retune the quad. Accelerometer on if you want to be able to use features such as angle mode or horizon mode, and then barometer and magnometer off. Board and sensor alignment, it's all at 0 degrees, and I've got arming at 180 degrees. This is not default, but make sure you do this so that you're able to arm the quad when it's upside down and use turtle mode. In receiver, I have the XM Plus that works with the Tyrannus FreeSky, so it's serial-based receiver and S-Bus. Under features, I've got air mode, OSD, anti-gravity, dynamic filter. This is just the way I like it, but I would definitely recommend having anti-gravity and dynamic filter on to get good flying out of it. Here for the D-shot beacon, I have RX lost. That basically means when I lose connection with the transmitter, that my quad starts to beep so I can find it if it's, say, stuck up in a tree. All of these just on. That just allows the quad to tell you when things are happening. In power and battery, this is all just set up for a 4-cell battery and it comes like this stock, so no worries here. In PID tuning, these PIDs should come stock. If not, here they are, so you can copy and put those into your quad, and these are my own rates, and you can change these to whatever you like. Just make sure you get VBAT PID compensation on. That allows your quad to fly pretty much the same throughout the entire battery, and put I-turn relax on as well. In receiver, if you're using FreeSky with the XM Plus, most likely you're going to be using this channel mapping. It's throttle, aileron, elevator, rudder on channels 1, 2, 3, and 4. And RSSI, put that on channel 12, just on a channel you're not going to use, because as it stands, the Emax Hawk 5 isn't shipped with a receiver that's capable of doing RSSI. You are able to do a receiver flash to get RSSI, but most people won't do that, so just, leave it on channel 12. Modes. I've got these modes set up the way I like them, so it's arm on a single switch, and then I've got my flight modes all on another switch. So I've got angle, horizon, and when I've chosen over here, it's air mode. I then also have my beeper on a momentary switch on aux 3. In motors, you don't have to do anything here. This is just if you start feeling like something's not going right with your motors, you can check it out here. OSD, this is also completely how you like it. So I have my warnings at the top, an artificial horizon with a crosshair, and my flight modes, flight timer, battery voltage, how many milliamps I've used, and whether it's armed or disarmed. So thank you for watching. I hope that helps out. Anything you need, drop it in the comments and I'll be able to help you out.